Plant lovers always find it tough to find that perfect indoor plant for their space. It might be your bedroom, your work desk, your living room, or just a dark corner. We know it is a constant struggle to find a plant which survives without sunlight and needs next to no maintenance. We share with you the perfect plant for any location of your choice. Haworthia. This succulent is tiny and snuggles into any space of your choice. Keep it completely indoors or in the harshest of sunlight. It will thrive. It is commonly but fittingly said, the lesser you care about haworthias, the better they do. And that makes it the perfect choice for a beginner, especially a succulent lover. Due to their extremely low needs, they are also the perfect plants to have in case you are a traveler. And yes, they do come in many different varieties. Some of the more popular ones are Haworthia attenuta, Haworthia limifolia, Haworthia rainworthy, Haworthia glabrata, Haworthia correctata. Haworthias are one of the most easy to care plants. The most common way to kill a haworthia is by overwatering. Only water the haworthia once the soil goes completely dry. When you water it, make sure water comes out of the drainage hole. You can water it once a week if kept indoors and twice if kept outdoors. Don't leave any stagnant water on the soil or it will develop root rot within a day. Although they can survive both indoors and outdoors, make sure you don't keep on changing its location or it will cause leaf burn for the plant. Try keeping the plant at a place where it has access to morning sunlight. Haworthias like soil with good drainage. You can also use a good amount of gravel and perlite in the mixture. Haworthias tend to go dormant in winters. Hence, reduce watering and don't fertilize the plant during that time.